how to use promo code in Foodpanda. Hi everyone, this is Kit and welcome back to another video. And on today's video we will see how we can use the promo code in Foodpanda application. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up the application. After that, add your desired items to the cart to choose your order. Now once ready, you have to proceed to checkout page. During the checkout process, you have to look for the field that says, do you have a voucher or a similar text where you can enter your voucher code. Then here you have to enter the promo code in the provided space. After that, verify that the discount has been applied and then proceed to place your order as usual. And remember, if the promo code is valid and applicable to your order, the discount will appear before finalizing your payment. Be mindful of any specific term like minimum spend or participating restaurants, as they can affect eligibility. For updated promo codes, you can check out the Foodpanda website or promotional emails regularly. So this way you can use promo code in Foodpanda. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. And thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.